My name is Cynthia. Thanks so much for clicking. If you're new on this channel, let me introduce this channel to you. Here, I talk about matters related to faith, relationship, marriage, parenting, and much more. Anything that will make life better. So please consider subscribing to this channel. Please click the subscribe button and the bell icon that is just next to it and select all, so that when next I post my video, you will be notified. Guys, there's something on this channel for you, so please do consider subscribing. Now, I have a great announcement to make. But before I do, I want to appreciate everyone who has brought me this far. I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. To all those that have liked my videos, all those that have shared my videos, and those that have commented on my videos, may God Almighty bless you. I can never thank you enough. It's because of your contribution that I'm able to reach this level where I'm able to offer YouTube membership. Yes, my channel now offers YouTube membership. YouTube membership is a way YouTube has set aside for content creators like us, like me, to interact with my fans who would like to support me, and at the same time I support you in my own way. So if you want to join my membership, click on the join button that is underneath this video or underneath any of my videos, or simply go to my profile picture, click on my profile picture, then proceed to the join button. Click on the join button, you will see all the perks that I offered. I thank you so much, and I'm really waiting to see you guys there. Please kindly join my membership. I would really love to have you on my membership list. Guys, as I said before, I really do appreciate all of you. So in any case, if for one reason or another you're unable to support me financially by the membership, please continue to support me by liking my videos. Continue to support me by sharing my videos. Continue to support me by watching my videos. Continue to support me by commenting on my videos. We all know what this means. And for those who do not know, by commenting, by liking, by sharing, it helps YouTube to push our videos to a wider audience. That's to say, it tells YouTube that people are liking what we are doing, so it kind of pushes our videos to a wider audience. I thank you so much, guys. I cannot thank you enough. I just want to let you know that I love you all. Your support has brought me this far, and I count on your continuous support. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.